directions for the next few questions. And the data is there are 7 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G. They all belong to different cities. So basically, we have to match every person to their respective cities. So we can easily do it by a tick and cross method. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll form a table. So we have your A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. So the cities are Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai, Pune, Lucknow, Ahmedabad, and Delhi. Okay. D belongs to Pune. So D here we can put a tick mark over here and a cross everywhere else. Neither A nor F belong to Kolkata. Neither A nor F. B belongs to Ahmedabad. So Ahmedabad is here. C does not belong to Kolkata and Lucknow. G belongs to Mumbai. So right now we are just marking the tick and cross according to the data which is given to us. I have not drawn any other additional conclusion. Okay. The last hint given is A does not belong to Lucknow and Chennai. Okay. So A does not belong to Lucknow and Chennai. So all this is the data given. Now what we'll do is we'll use black ink to make conclusions. Okay. So let's now take the conclusions. Now we know the exact city for B, that is Ahmedabad. For D, we know it is Pune. For G, it is Mumbai. Now, if you see over here, for Kolkata, all cities are cancelled except for E. And therefore, E will be from Kolkata. Everything else will get cancelled out. Right? Now, A does not belong to Lucknow and Chennai. Okay, it's also given. This part also gets cancelled out. So for A, only city remaining is Delhi. So everything else gets cancelled out here. Now for C, if you see only one city is there, that is Chennai. So this gets cancelled out as well. Now for F, there is only one city remaining, that is Lucknow. Okay. So the complete table is filled up. Who among the following belongs to Kolkata? Okay. So we know Kolkata is E. So the answer will be none of these. Let's see the next one. Which of the following statements is true? A belongs to Chennai. Okay. Now we know that A belongs to Delhi. So first statement is wrong. Now A belongs to Delhi, so G does not belong to Delhi as well. So second statement is wrong as well. Now we remember that D belongs to Pune. Therefore, statement D is also wrong. E belongs to Kolkata. Now that's the conclusion we have got here as well. Okay. So that statement is true. Okay. So E belongs to Kolkata. That is the true statement. Next one. F belongs to which of the following city? Now F we have seen from the table. F is from Lucknow. Which of the following combination is true? A is Delhi, true. D is Pune, true. E is Kolkata, true. So all are correct. A belongs to which of the following city? The answer is D. Delhi, sorry. So this was the last question. So we have answered all these questions by a simple tick and cross table.